Hello traders, welcome to Forexlia. Today let's talk about one of the wildest name in all of trading, the bullish abandoned baby. I know it sounds super dramatic, right? And honestly it is, but trust me, behind that strange name is an incredibly powerful secret that every trader should know, and today we are going to unlock it together. So, what is an abandoned baby? When we are talking about financial charts, will it's way more than just quirky name. It's actually a pretty rare but very potent reversal pattern. We are talking about a signal that can flag a massive shift in market momentum. If you can understand this, you will have a serious agent supporting actually when the tide is about to turn. The name itself is kind of like a perfect blueprint. Let's just break it down. Bullish, okay, that's easy. It signal a potential move up, abandoned. Now that's the key visual. We got this one candle that's just left all alone. Gap it away from everything else, and baby, well, that just refer to how small that abandoned candle is, which points to this really critical moment of indecision right at the bottom of a trend. Alright, so the name is a great blueprint, but there's actually a whole story behind it, and this story, it really gets to the heart of the market psychology that's going on here. It's something every trader should probably hear. Just picture this, a newborn baby left behind by an old dying train, only to be rescued by a brand new powerful one. I know it's dramatic, but that metaphor just perfectly captures what you are saying on the chart. It's this moment where the sailors have finally complete run out of gas. They've abandoned the price right before the buyers come rushing in to save the day. At its core, what's its job? Simple, it signals a powerful reversal. It's basically a big flashing sign that a bearish downtrend might be over and a bullish uptrend is about to kick off. Simple idea, right? But it's profound. It's like a signpost on the chart that says, hey, sellers are out of steam and the buyers are starting to wake up. Okay, so let's really get into the nuts and bolts here. We are going to dissect this pattern piece by piece. The best way to think about it is like a little three-act play where each candle has its own starting rule in telling the story of a big reversal. So Act 1, the bearish past. This start with a long solid red candle. You all see this at the end of a downtrend, and it's basically confirming that up to this point the sellers are absolutely in control. They're just pushing that price down, 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 down. And then Act 2, the star of the show arrives, the abandoned baby itself. Now, this is a tiny little candle, often a doji. The one that looks kind of like a plus sign with that tiny body. Here's the crucial part, it's open with a huge gap down way below the low of the first candle. That gap is what leaves it abandoned. It's this moment of pure frozen indecision where all that selling pressure just poof vanishes. And for the grand final, Act 3, the rescue. This candle is all about the bullish future. It's open with a gap, clearing the high of that little baby candle, and then it just explodes higher. This is the moment the buyers storm back in and completely. But hold on, just supporting these three candles isn't quite enough. The real power of this pattern, its reliability really highs on the contest I am talking about, where it formed on the chart, and the very specific relationship between those candles. Alright, so here are the absolute non-negotiables. First up, location, location, location. It has to show up at the bottom of a solid downtrend. If you see it anywhere else, it's pretty much meaningless. Second, you absolutely need those two distance gaps, one gapping down to abandon the baby and one gapping up to rescue it. The Japanese actually have a name for this whole gapping opening. Now, because this pattern is pretty rare, you want to be really sure you are seeing the real deal when it show up, and luckily for us, There are two really powerful ways to confirm it. One involves looking at volume and the other way it reveals a hidden pattern inside this pattern. Pretty cool, right? Okay, first let's talk about the fuel behind this reversal volume. What you are looking for is a big spike in volume on the third bullish candle that show real conviction. It's like the market is screaming, hey, this new upward move is for real. It adds a huge dose of credibility to the whole signal. Alright, here's a really brilliant little manual check you can do right on your chart. Just draw four simple horizontal lines. The first one goes at the high of the first candle, the second at the open of the same first candle, the third line that goes at the low of the little baby candle, and the final line you draw that at the close of the third candle. And here's the magic. When you connect those 4 points, what do you get? A perfect hammer candle, which as you probably know is another classic super powerful bullish reversal pattern. So this little test basically proves that the 3 days abandoned baby is really just a signal day hammer in disguise. It's a fantastic aha moment that just double confirm all that underlying bullish pressure. Okay, so you've supported the pattern, you confirm it. Now our time to get practical. Right, let's talk about a simple 3-step plan for how you can actually trade the setup. First up, your entry. Now don't jump the gun of this one. You need to wait for that last bit of confirmation. The safest way to enter is to buy only after a new candle closes above the high of that third green candle. Got it? Okay, second, risk management. This is simple. Put your stop loss just below the low of the abandoned baby. If the price drop and hits that, the patterns busted and you're out. And finally, number 3, your profit target. Well, that's going to be based on your own personal risk reward ratio. Alright, let's do a quick recap and look in the key takeaways. Think of this as your bullish abandoned baby cheat sheet. First, it works on any time frame, but it's especially effective for intraday trading. Second, it's a super clear sign that buyers are taking back control. Remember to always check for that increasing volume, and most importantly, its power comes from its location. It's got to be at the bottom. So there you have it. We disconstructed the crazy name, we confirmed the anatomy, and we laid out our trading strategy. So the final question is really for you. Now that you know how to support this rare but really powerful signal, how is this going to change the way you look at your charts tomorrow? Where are you going to find the next abandoned baby? We understand candlestick patterns throughout the chart. After a strong downward move, you will see the bullish abandoned baby candlestick. Now for buying, you need to observe that after the bullish abandoned baby candlestick pattern, the next candle should open with a strong bullish momentum, or in other words, it should open with a gap up. If this happens, you should enter a buy trade in the market. Now look at this chart. In this chart, after the bullish abandoned baby candlestick pattern, the next candle did not open with a gap up. So in this case, to take a buy trade, you must wait and check whether the next candle closes above the high of the first candle of the bullish abandoned baby pattern. If it closes above that level, then you should enter a buy trade. Now observe this chart carefully. In this chart, the very first candle after the bullish abandoned baby pattern closes above the high of the first candle of the pattern. So here you should enter a buy trade. Immediately after entering the trade, you should place a stop loss below the low of the second baby candle of the bullish abandoned baby pattern, because placing a stop loss is extremely important. After this, for profit booking, you need to hold the trend until no signal appears that can change the market trend. When you see any signal that indicates a possible trend reversal, you should immediately book your profits. So friends, today you have learned about the bullish abandoned baby candlestick pattern in detail. I hope you found this information useful and valuable. If like this video, please subscribe our channel Forex Lea.